Hey, how's it going today? Good to see everybody. Let me get on this stuff here. So, get things set up here, and we'll get to covering a little bit of Bitcoin. Been a while. Let's get live chat. Anybody can join us. Redirect you back to the live stream you came from. Hey, hey, hey. Let me grab this link. Let people know I'm here. Go to the other stream. Let's talk some Bitcoin live. Tell everybody to come visit us. Okay. Exit. There we go. Let's get back over here. How's everybody doing today? Put in the chat, say hello. Let me know you are here. Smash that like button and let's talk some Bitcoin. We've been charting this a while. I'll cover over all this mess I got drawn out here. In a few minutes, I'll let a few people show up here. And you may notice I did let my mustache grow back out a little bit. Good to see everybody here. Yes, sir. So, as you can see, I have not got my office cleaned up here. Turn my desk around like I want, but it's getting there. So, there we go. So, let's cover a little bit of Bitcoin here. The other day, I put this up, what was that, August 11th, and didn't quite make it up there. 25,218.50 cents. Just a little shy. It slowed down at 24,990-ish area. And then I marked this line I've been on this channel here at 24,926 on August 14th. And it skipped past that a little bit to 25,061.5 cents. I had 24,926. I think I was about $140 off there. But we got rejected. We still have not had a candle body close since we came into this channel back here. We fell into this back on June 16th. It's been over a month now. Today is the 17th. So we fell into this channel on June 16th. 2 months, excuse me. Right, 2 months. And we tested the bottom. 17,600 was our bottom there. And we continued to test up. So when we finally made the second lowest low, which was over here on July 13th, we made that at 18,896, which created my bottom channel line. So since then, we have been bouncing about about 3/4 of the way down, testing the top, come down, back up to the top, down, back up to the top. So that has been 1, 2, 3, almost 3 touches to the top, and we got rejected. So I did draw this little ascending wedge here because Bitcoin was creating a wedge out of this channel here, and I was expecting it to bounce right off here and go up. Well, I wouldn't say expecting, I was kind of hoping it would for you guys, but it didn't. And so now it broke out of that wedge. We'll see where the candle body closes tonight in about 4 or 5 hours. I think it's 5 hours. Yeah, 5.5, 6 hours. It'll close. Yeah, 5 hours, 16 minutes. Duh, it's right here in front of me. So if this closes out of this wedge here, then I'm going to expect more a drop. So I'm going to keep charting this moving average here, which is, I believe, is that the 50 moving average right here? The red one on top is the 100 moving average. So we did break the top moving average a little bit. but we just wicked through it. We didn't get a candle close. So you can see where it wicked through it, came back, got rejected, and retested it and rejected again. So that's 3 times off that. So now I assume we're going to come down here around 22,157-ish area, because this 50 moving average will be moving up. So it's getting pinched right here. It did, you know, this 23,443.5 is the center of this EMA cloud, and that's where it's currently kind of hanging around. So the bottom of the channel is 20,734, and if anybody watches charts long enough and you see these bullish channels like this, about 9 times out of 10 they will break to the downside. And that's what I'm waiting on, for this to come back down here and break to the downside. I still say we get down here into the 14,000 range. This golden line is a lot. This golden line goes way back to where we were at our all-time high. Let's squeeze this down here a little bit. Way back here is the top of this golden line at 68,780, and it goes to the last all-time high right here at 48,461. So until we cross this line, I am going to be bullish as bullish can get, even though we're ascending upward like this and coming back down. We could come down here, hit 22,157, come back up and retest the 100 moving average and come back down. But somewhere until we hit this golden line, break through it with a candle body and retest it and get a bounce off of it, I will stay bullish. But if it breaks through and bounces and retests this, then it will take off like a rocket. So what I'm looking at, and this is just my thoughts on it, everybody can say different how they think, but I'm seeing this coming down here to the 14,000 area. So if we could come down here, pull back up, come down here, pull back up, fall down into like September 20th area, wick down in this area, and this is where I got circled and have had this circled for a few months now, that we will shoot right back out somewhere between these areas here and retest it and then shoot up. So that is a major golden line. So I do not expect Bitcoin to make any sudden runs to, you know, even if it was to run tomorrow straight up, hit that golden line, that's only 27,000. And everybody keeps calling for 28,000 to 30,000. I'm not seeing it happen. So it's just not going to happen. I just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, but let me point out some things down here on the bottom down here. So we got the stocks RSI right here, and then we got the MACD. Yeah, MACD's on the bottom, stocks RSI on top. You know, so it already crossed right here, and it's going down right here. So you can see that up here in the candles. We just crossed over on the MACD today. So if we squeeze this down just a little bit, and I pull this up here to the peak of back here of the stocks RSI, so you can see right here is the peak. Let's see if I can draw a line across here. Let's see. Let's do extended line. So yes, I can. Let's make that thinner, 1%. And let's get those dotted lines lined up. There we go. So as the top of that right there, this one retested here. This one didn't quite make it. And you can see here it's descending downward slowly. We got a small one right here, and then we got smaller again, and we're getting the red. So I'll expand that here. Put it up above so I can make it bigger. I'm kind of thinking this is gonna, you know, you can see it right here a lot better. I'm thinking we're gonna probably get pretty deep into the red right over here. I think we're gonna go down and do a red bubble, if not real big. And this stock's RSI is gonna drag us down, right down into here. Boom, 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 boom. Boy. So that's just my opinion. Like I said before, I'm not a financial advisor when it comes to this. So that's just how I see it happening. Get rid of that line. Put that back down there. So seeing we got some internet issues here. So hopefully this will catch back up and keep recording. Oh, wow. So I'm going to end this here. You guys have a wonderful day.